Welcome to Ethos Dharma. In today's transformative video, we are diving deep into the art of creating a harmonious home that attracts abundance and dispels stagnation. By the end of this video, you'll discover 5 essential things you must eliminate from your home immediately. If you've ever felt stuck or found your desires always just out of reach, the root cause might lie within these hidden obstacles. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with those you love. Comment below about your openness to receiving blessings from the universe and express your gratitude for everything you have. Let your words resonate and attract all that you desire. Now, let's embark on this journey of transformation together. First, it's crucial to understand that everything in the universe is energy. Every object in your home, including yourself, vibrates at a unique frequency. This energetic vibration can either propel you forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I began to observe every item I owned, discovering many were anchors to my past. Think about it. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt a sense of peace or discomfort? This is the energy at play. By understanding and harnessing this energy, you can transform your living space into a heaven of positivity and growth. By eliminating these anchors, I began to manifest miracles in my life. This powerful practice can work for you too. Clothes you no longer wear. The first item on our list is clothes you no longer wear. Each piece of clothing you purchase carries the energy of the time and situation in which you bought it. Have you ever loved an outfit only to stop wearing it inexplicably? That's because you have evolved. Holding on to these clothes keeps you tethered to past energies. Let's take a moment to reflect. Go to your closet and take a good look. How many items have you not worn in the last year? These clothes are holding the energy of your past, preventing you from moving forward. Clear out your closet. Keep only what makes you feel happy, comfortable, and confident. Donate or discard the rest. Before letting go, hold each piece and say, "Thank you for the memories and the time we shared together." This gratitude releases the energy and makes room for new, positive vibrations. Imagine opening your closet and seeing only the clothes that make you feel empowered and joyful. This simple act of decluttering can create a ripple effect, positively influencing other areas of your life. Broken objects. Next, let's talk about broken objects. Whether it's a chipped vase, a cracked mirror, or a malfunctioning appliance, these items disrupt the flow of positive energy in your home. Your home is your sanctuary, and broken objects carry negative vibrations that can impact your well-being. Consider this: broken objects symbolize stagnation and neglect. They are physical manifestations of unresolved issues. Holding on to them can subconsciously keep you stuck in a state of disrepair. Instead of trying to repair these items, it's better to let them go. Thank them for their service and the role they played in your life. This simple act of gratitude helps release any residual energy, making space for new, positive energy to enter your home. Imagine the feeling of walking into a space free of broken items, where everything is in good condition and radiates positive energy. This can significantly enhance your sense of peace and well-being. Dirty or worn-out shoes. Now, consider your shoes. They are more than just functional items. They carry energy and influence your life's path. Clean and well-maintained shoes symbolize a clear, positive journey. Make it a habit to clean your shoes when you come home, preventing negative energy from entering your sanctuary. Think about it. Your shoes carry the energy of every place you've been. By cleaning them regularly, you are not only maintaining their physical appearance but also ensuring that you are not bringing any unwanted energy into your home. If your shoes are beyond repair, replace them. New shoes not only support physical comfort but also signify a fresh start. This simple practice brings positive energy into your home and helps you step forward with confidence and clarity. Imagine starting each day by putting on a pair of clean, well-maintained shoes. This small act can set a positive tone for your entire day, influencing how you move through the world. Objects and clothes of deceased loved ones. While it's natural to keep memories of loved ones alive, holding on to their belongings can create emotional stagnation. Memories should reside in your heart and mind, not in physical objects that tie you to the past. Reflect on this. Keeping items from those who have passed can create a shrine of sorrow, preventing you from fully embracing the present. By holding on too tightly to the past, you may be blocking new experiences and energies from entering your life. By releasing these items, you honor their memory while allowing new, positive energy to flow. This act doesn't mean you forget them, it means you respect their journey and yours by moving forward. Imagine the relief of letting go of these items and feeling a sense of lightness and freedom. This can open up space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. Decluttering your space. Finally, let's address clutter. A cluttered home blocks energy flow. Keeping your space organized, letting in fresh air and sunlight, and adding joyful elements like plants can significantly uplift your home's energy. Think of your home as a reflection of your mind. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, making it difficult to focus and feel at peace. By decluttering, you create a serene environment that supports your mental and emotional well-being. Simple habits like making your bed each morning and expressing gratitude for the rest it provides can make a profound difference. A clean, harmonious house isn't about luxury, it's about creating an environment where positive energy thrives. Imagine waking up in a tidy, organized space where everything has its place. This sense of order can help you start your day with clarity and purpose, positively impacting all aspects of your life. When you start applying these 5 principles, you will feel a significant change. Your home will feel lighter, more harmonious, and welcoming. Situations in your life will start to resolve as the energy begins to flow freely. A great metaphysics teacher once said, "If you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die." Clean your house, eliminate negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and watch miracles happen. Remember, the state of your home greatly impacts your energy and overall well-being. Simple changes in your surroundings can have a profound effect on your life. Embrace the power of gratitude, let positive energy flow, and witness the magic unfold. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like, and if you're new here, subscribe to Ethos Dharma for more enlightening content. Until next time, may you always be blessed. Thank you.